Today we are read from John 12 to 16. The next day, the big crowd when it come for the Passover holiday, here said Jesus did depend him where go to Jerusalem. So them take some palm tree branch and go for meet him. And them shout out loud, say, praise God. God bless the one where him send come. Him send him with him power. God bless the one where king in Israel. Jesus find one young donkey and sit down upon it. Now, what happened? Happen same like how it write down in a God word. It say, no afraid people will live as Zion. Could they? Your king a come, he sit down upon one young donkey. No, Jesus followed them. They not understand them something ya fuss off. Only after Jesus dead and come back alive, and God show how him big and powerful, the members said them sitting here did write down about him, and that them did happen to him. John 12 to 16.